Hello YouTube land and welcome back to the Small Workshop Adventures. Today's project, what are we going to get up to in my little workshop? Well, as would have it, I have been asked to make some garden planters. So garden planters, what are they? Well, they're places to plant your flowers or your vegetables or whatever. They're raised beds. And as would have it, if you live in the UK, then you'll know this reference. So in a great Blue Peter tradition, here's one I made earlier. So there you go. You can see in there, it's even got some leaves. Very authentic. No flowers in there yet. So you can see the base. So I'm showing off my juggling skills with garden planters. Right, that's what we're going to make. Someone has suggested, my daughter suggested, it looks like a beehive. It's sort of a beehive design. I quite like that. Yeah, that's good. So my beehive designed, I think, it depends on what timber I've got out there in my my stock outside. So I'm going to make some garden planters, and that's what this video will be about. So enjoy. Hello. Right, we have all our stock here. These are the bits I'm going to rip up. This was just green treated timber that I had in my garden. It's all from fencing. I did a fencing job last year. I put up a brand new fence on a job I did. Didn't film that either. But that's some of the leftovers. There's some pallet wood there as well. So lots of us do stuff out of pallets. So really cheap. Well, the fencing stuff isn't, but it's green treated. So it's meant to live outside. So I'm just going to do the ripping. All set up. My table saw is there. So let's get on with it. Done me rip, so I'm just going to cut all these that I've ripped down to, some of them down to 1 metre, so 1 metre. So just going to cut them up.
Right.
Should we measure this together? Can you see where find the 6? Where's the 6? There, that's where we want to go. Yes, we want to mark it there. We're going to make it. Oh, Grampy's not dropping his tape measure. Right, let's do the marking on that 6. You ready? Can you help me? Hold the pencil. You got it? And there we go. And then we have got to make a line, haven't we? Should we make a line? You ready? You hold the pencil? Or do you want Grampy to do it? Are you a T-Rex doing the cutting? Be a T-Rex? Can you be a T-Rex?
A big T-Rex.
A big T-Rex? Would the T-Rex cut this better than Grampy? Would he be able to go bite it and chop it in half?
Yeah.
Chop it. So T-Rex could do this with Grampy's saw, but the T-Rex could come. What would the T-Rex do? Would he go, wah, and it would chop it, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Would it, with his big mouth, with his big jaws? How would that look like? Big T-Rex. Can you stand up and be a T-Rex?
Yeah.
Can you show me? So all cut, the basic components for the frame of the planters. So 8 of each because I'm making 2. So we've got the horizontal going across the top and bottom. These are the legs, and these are the sides. So they're going to go that way. So that's that way. So to build the basic frame, and then I'm just going to screw it all together. Really straightforward. I've just marked out where I'm going to drill the pilot hole for the screws for the legs. Now I've dropped them down, as you can see. They're on the side. They're not in center because I'll be screwing through the other side, so I need space to actually come through this side and screw. So hence they're there, leaving space for more screws to come from the other side, and they're not going to clash. So that's what's the next. We're at the assembly stage. So I'm back in the assembly shop. I've been in the machine shop. Well, I've been machining all my components. Now I've moved to the assembly shop. It's the same shop. Right. I'm back in an old, back in the past where it used to be the machine shop and the assembly shop, making furniture. Right, we're assembling the frame. So I've got my parts. Got me glue, got me screws. I use these at the minute, Novi Pro, and I'm using 4 70mm screws. So they're quite a decent size because they go all the way through then. So 70mm screws, going to glue it and screw it so that it'll be solid. It's not going to move then. So we're just going to start putting the components together. I always just look down the line again, just to square it, just to make sure it's not twisted or anything. So every assembly, every stage of the assembly, just check it. Only takes a couple of seconds. And there's the carcasses, or the framework, whatever you want to call it. There's 2 of them screwed together. Got a little bit of cleaning up to do with some glue. Well, it's not that crucial on this because it's all going to be covered up and it's going to be covered in mud and dirt, isn't it? And flowers, so you won't even see any of it. So that's the basic frame. Nice and sturdy. These will last for years, as you saw the other one. So this is the framework. These are about 1 metre in length and about 400 wide approximately, just under, I think. We have a nice pallet here, which is actually a good quality pallet. So I'm going to break that up and use some of that for the base. So we're just going to pull that pallet apart. So that's good use of recycling timber. Bit of brute force. Used me, can't find them. Club out and a crowbar to break apart a pallet. Well, some of it anyway. So I've got these. They're going to be fixed on here. I'm going to cut them to size just to make the base. So that's where that's going to go. All right, looking good. So it's just cladding the outside, and then we go from there. So we're just going to fix this. And there we have 2 planters, garden planters. I'm probably going to line them, but essentially that's it. Hope you like them. My daughter said they look like beehives, the design, which I quite like actually. It's a very aesthetic look. So you can see. Two garden planters, nicely done. Happy? going off to somebody, and I'm sure I'll be making some more. So please share the video, please like and subscribe, and there's some more videos floating around up there. It really matters if you like a video, as it shows YouTube that this is the content that you like watching. So, and it helps me to able to make more stuff. So please like, please subscribe, and share, and look forward to some more stuff coming out soon from the Small Workshop Adventures. I'll be inside, there's my workshop, I'll be outside, all sorts of stuff coming up. So from me here at the Small Workshop Adventures, take care everybody, bye.